How to appeal age restriction on TikTok. So if you want to appeal age restriction on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to tap on help center. Now tap on report a problem, or you need to scroll down and you may have age restriction or appeal. You need to tap on that. If you don't find the option, then you can just simply go with report a problem or tap on chat with us. After that, it will take you to the TikTok support and you will have some support tickets. Go with the top right, which has that support ticket option. And once you have your support ticket, you need to enter your username, you need to provide your phone number or your email address, and under the description, you need to write that I'm having some issue with age verification. Please help me. After that, send it to your TikTok, and TikTok might help you to remove the age restriction. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.